Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make your curry thicker. A simple way to achieve a richer consistency is by simmering your curry for a longer period. This allows excess liquid to evaporate, naturally concentrating the flavors and thickening the sauce. Alternatively, a quick cornstarch slurry, made with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water, can be stirred in at the end for a smooth finish. Beyond cornstarch, other common kitchen ingredients work wonders. You can create a simple roux with 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of butter, cooking it for 1 minute before adding to your curry. For a richer taste and texture, try stirring in 2 tablespoons of peanut or cashew butter. Pureed cooked lentils or vegetables like potatoes also naturally thicken and add nutritional value. To enhance both texture and flavor, consider incorporating dairy. Stirring in 1/4 cup of plain yogurt or sour cream at the end, off the heat, creates a wonderfully creamy and slightly tangy curry. Ground nuts, such as 2 tablespoons of blanched almonds or cashews, can be blended into a paste and added for a luxurious thickness. Even a tablespoon of tomato paste can subtly thicken and enrich the overall taste. Remember to always taste your curry and adjust seasonings after adding any thickeners, as flavors can become more concentrated. Letting your curry rest for about 10 minutes off the heat before serving also allows the sauce to settle and thicken further, resulting in a perfect consistency. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly thick and flavorful curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.